Happy Thanksgiving to you. My hope is that you're having a fabulous experience of feeling the gratitude flow from your heart and through your being, and feeling the gratitude for each precious moment of life and the experiences we have with family and the abundance of the universe. As we prepare for this Sunday, we're going to be taking the pause between Thanksgiving and Christmas, that moment where we take the gratitude and the experience of wonder that arises out of our gratitude, and we pause and bring it into a place of conscious creation, of deliberately intending a holiday that's filled with the spirit of truth, with the spirit of light, with the spirit of Christ consciousness, out of which this whole holiday arises. And are taking the pause in this moment of saying, yes, I'm going to pause and consciously create my holiday so that my experiences with family, with loved ones, with all of life, with everything that we're up to, becomes a different experience. It becomes one that really is heart-centered. It is spirit aligned. And we live in that alignment with a greater truth, and we bring the true meaning of the holidays into our every moment, day by day experience. And I think that's what we're all seeking, that opportunity to pause, reflect, and create consciously an amazing experience for the duration of these holidays, but for the duration of our life, and how we attend to and focus our energy and our alignment with spirit, so that the voice of spirit is what aligns our lives, our words, our actions, every feeling to be aligned with the truth of our being. I hold you in the highest esteem and the greatest gratitude. I'm grateful for each one of you and look forward to sharing the pause with you this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston, 1911 Highway 3 South in League City, Texas. And we'll have our 10:30 Sunday service, and look forward to having you there with us and your children and youth. We have a fabulous lot of things going on. Love you.